We're downtown Hingham right now, and I'm going to roll the window down for a second. You can see the snow. You can see the snow coming down at the Hingham post office. We're going to do a little drive-by. It's coming down again. We got about 11 inches so far, and I'm going to, well, sliding off the road. Yeah, they did such a poor job of plowing here that you can't even get by anything. I'm going to go through the front windshield now. You can see historic Hingham is just covered. The roads are not plowed really. It's just sort of ridiculous. I'm going to run down to the harbor. I'll show you the water there. I think it's about high tide now. Maybe it's either just past high tide by about half an hour, or it's coming up on high tide. I didn't take a look at the tide chart this morning, but I mean, you can just see how cars are buried. Look at this guy. This guy works in the there's a architecture firm right across the street. He couldn't even get up his driveway because they plowed everything in, and there's no side